Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Green Heaven is the name of my garden and it is my favorite place in the house. I built this garden plant by plant with the help of my grandmother. We cleared the backyard of our house and with some old gardening tools we planted our first sapling in a corner. It bloomed in a few weeks. I never looked back after that. Today my garden has over 20 flowers, including my favorite white lilies and 5 different fruit trees. I also love roses grown in my garden during spring. In my garden looks like heaven with lots of butterflies, birds, and small insects making their home in it. My day start with a cup of tea, a newspaper, and fruity and flowery smell in the air as I sit in the midst of my garden. I love the essence and vibe of my garden. It fills me with calmness and energy, very restless and distribute. I seek refuge in my garden only. It gives me so much peace. My garden is an outcome of a joint project undertaken by my father and grandfather. They both are very fond of planting trees. My grandfather was a farmer and therefore has a tremendous amount of knowledge of different varieties of fertilizer, shrubs, and trees. His knowledge helped us to grow our small, rough, and patch of land into this wonderful garden, which now has over 50 different plants. And we have planted 7 different varieties of roses. My grandfather has I also planted my many herbal plants such as tulsi and neem, etc. He make tea and even medicines occasionally from these leaves. And my favorite place in the garden in the branch of the huge mango trees in the corner. It was planted by my garden 10 years ago. I love to spend my time sitting that branch. Thanks for watching.